Pakistan's economic crisis continues to deepen as it recently secured a fresh $760 million loan from the International Monetary Fund, raising its total IMF debt to $8.6 billion. This makes Pakistan the fourth largest borrower from the IMF out of 102 countries. Yet despite its growing dependence on international bailouts, Pakistan remains a disproportionately high spender on defense. Since 2000, the country has spent over $153 billion on military procurement, amounting to nearly $232 billion since 1960. These figures don't even include unclassified military expenditures, prompting serious concerns over national priorities. The IMF's latest disbursement is part of a $7 billion extended fund facility agreed upon in 2024. Notably, between May 1st and May 15th, 2025, Pakistan was the only country to receive an IMF disbursement, highlighting the urgency of its financial needs. However, this assistance comes amid growing calls for accountability. India has urged the IMF to ensure that funds provided to Pakistan are not diverted toward defense or repaying military debts to third countries. This reflects broader international concerns about Islamabad's budgetary decisions, especially when a significant portion of the population is struggling with poverty and inflation. Pakistan's economic woes are not new. The country has taken loans from the IMF 24 times, yet meaningful economic reforms have been limited. Today, it is burdened with an external debt of around $130 billion, and over 40% of its population lives below the poverty line. Critics argue that Pakistan's focus on military expenditure, despite its economic collapse, reflects a deeper structural issue. More troubling is the fact that the IMF has continued to provide assistance with minimal conditionalities, even bypassing concerns about terror financing or governance. As Pakistan stands at a financial crossroads, the world is watching closely whether it can rebalance its priorities. Shifting from reckless defense spending to genuine economic reform will ultimately determine its ability to emerge from this perpetual cycle of debt and dependence.